Guys, welcome. This is Alexis, Sofield Leather, and it's been a while since I made a video here on YouTube, but I'm doing well. I hope you guys are doing well as well, and I hope this video finds you well. A couple of updates, kind of a big one, and I'm really excited and happy to share with you that we have decided, we meaning my son and I and my family, after much prayer and thought, deliberation on what best honors the Lord and helps me facilitate my stewardship, my time, what the Lord has me to do in ministry, my schooling, all that to say that we are happy to announce that we're going to be offering ready to ship curated Bibles. So no longer will you place an order and then wait 2 or 3 months, sometimes longer, to receive the Bible. So this is going to be a transition, so if you could be so kind as to be patient with me. It's going to take a month or two to actually build up this inventory. I'm already starting to work on that, so Lord willing, by the end of September, get rolling into October, towards the end of the year, the inventory is going to be starting to fill up. What that means for you is this. If you go to my website, sofieldleather.com, you'll notice that when you click on Curated Bibles, you can get to it either at the top menu bar or right here on this picture. You'll notice that a lot of them right now, as the recording of this date, or the date of this recording, that they're out of stock. So if it's out of stock and this is something you would like to purchase, if you click on the out of stock item, you scroll down, you'll notice a sign-up sheet for out of stock items. If you could be so kind to fill that out for the Bible that you're interested in. What this does for me, and this is going to help me on my end, it kind of gives me a list of Bibles that are requested, and that helps me for the next oncoming inventory, what I need to be working on. So I really greatly appreciate your help in this regard, and I look forward to making these Bibles. It's been a joy using my skills to honor the Lord and honor His Word. I'm just super grateful, and no words can express how grateful I am for that. Another thing you can do as well to help me out is I forgot what I was going to say, but I'm not even going to edit that part out. Okay, what you could do as well is if you want to keep up to date with Bibles that I'm doing, the process. There's two ways of doing that. One is on Instagram. You can access me on Sofield Leather. Just look that up, or on the bottom of my main home screen, you'll see my Instagram recent posts on the bottom there. But I really prefer if you sign up on this not waiting list. If you sign up on the announcements, this newsletter that I have here. I don't use it a lot. I don't spam all the time with that waiting list. Maybe once every 2 months, maybe once a month now moving forward. I'll kind of keep you up to date on what I got going on as far as new items and so on and so forth. So that's how you can help me. Now, another thing is if you really want your own custom leather color or custom ribbon color, I still offer that. You just have to find it here. If you go down, you'll see customized Bible, and just follow those instructions, and I'll customize a Bible for you with your specific color and leather and ribbons. As far as the engraving, I don't really customize that, but I can cater your color scheme for the most part on what it is, your preference. That, however, is not a 2 or 3 day turnaround time. It's not going to be obviously I can't pre-make what you want. That's still going to be a waiting period of 2 to 3 months, maybe longer, for those custom Bible requests. But there is one more thing I want to share with you, and that is, if you look here, I have this page. It's called One of a Kind Leather Goods. You can find it here at the top menu bar, or also right here in this picture. And what this is every once in a while, I'll create a one-off, either a journal, a A5 journal leather cover, a pocket protector, a briefcase, a wallet, but most likely I'll be, curating, making one-off Bibles, whether that's a different translation or a different leather that I'm just tinkering with. So look out for that as well, for the one-of-a-kind leather. Like I said, if you sign up on my waiting list and follow me on Instagram, I'll make sure to upload my new one-of-a-kind products. That's all I have for you. Thank you so much. I'm doing really well as far as my health concerns. The Lord has been gracious to me and sustaining me, and I'm resting in His grace. Whatever He has for me, I know He's working all things for good for those who love Him, and I love Him. Yeah, my cancer is still shrinking, still going away, and I'm doing very, very well. So thank you for your prayers, and I just thank the Lord for His mercy. That's all I have for you. Thank you very much. Thank you for your patience. I know I haven't filmed the video in a long time, but just busy doing life, and I'm just excited about it. But that's all I have for you. Have a blessed day. Thank you so much. Bye.